Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and our friend Eskimo, he's evidently done this a while back, and I just never have seen it called, it's a free macro called MOVER, and I will have the link at the bottom of this video for you to watch. But what's so cool about this, you could nudge like a ½ inch, you can nudge that circle up, but you can't move it to get it to, a different position at a angle. You've got to move it twice. When Eskimo's little macro here, you can move it upper left or upper right. So it moves at a ½ inch up and a ½ inch over at the same time. You could select, well, you don't want to do that. You could select all these and move them up. You could change the horizontal and vertical movement. Let's put this one back to there and let's move it horizontally 1 inch, but vertically just a ½ inch and put it up here. So now it moved it over horizontally in 1 inch, but it only moved it up a ½ inch. Pretty cool. And you can, there's a lot you can do with it. So if you want to go down right, of course we got our back to our, you can have this number on anything you want. We could down right and put it, like if you had to put stuff in a corner, like I make flanges for wheels and stuff, and if I wanted it right there, it would be so easy to place it in that corner and then just move it there. You can do a lot more with this than I probably know. You can make duplicates and you could take away this and you could just make duplicates to the right, but you're only going to make them one time. I'm going to get rid of my box. You could select the duplicate and just, well, let's make it further than let's make it 2 inch and 2 inches. And then we got duplicate, and I'm going to move that over 2 inches and make another one, And then let's say I want to go down, then I want to go left, left, left. And if you were going to make a box, you could do a lot with this, drawing patterns almost. Let's make it 1 by 1 now. And with the duplicate, let's put it up. And then let's move it to the right. And then let's move it down. And then let's move it to the left. Pretty cool that you could do things like this without having to change your nudge factor. Anyway, so there'll be a link to this free macro at the bottom of this video. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.